I did the surgery on Sunday. The next Monday, not the Monday after, next Monday I was at the gym. I was driving, I was working, I was doing everything in a week.
That's really good.
That was so professional, I didn't believe it. Because everyone, they saw on Instagram, your surgery, that's 6 months sitting at home. Once I had the knee injury, I was like straight away for the ambulance, take me to CMC.
That's great. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Young. And how's the extension?
Extension is good. I'm a bit sore from yesterday.
Yeah, it's okay.
The exercises here.
Now I want you to start pushing a little bit.
I heard a lot like, choose another opinion, it's the knee, you can't joke, you're an athlete, you can't play left and right. I'm like, I feel comfortable with the doctor. Like, he convinced me straight away. Okay, I Googled him to make sure. But his approach was more than enough for me. I'm a trainer, so I know how the rehab process will be, and I know anatomically what we're going to do. It's my passion, it's my job, it's everything I do. And he has a strategy, his own strategy, like to put the stitches in the patella. Mainly the CMC on top is a hotel, more than a hospital. I didn't sleep at night here. I took my meds and went home. That's how smooth it was. Yesterday, the physio here also in CMC told me that I'm 2 weeks ahead of my recovery. So Dr. Hesham, as you can see, no crutches, back to the gym, training, thanks to you. I'm ahead of my recovery. I'm recovering quick and on the right path.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Hesham Al Khateeb, one of the consultant orthopedic surgeons here at CMC Dubai. So I'd like to talk to you today about one of my favorite patients. He underwent a quadriceps reconstruction of his knee. He initially presented to the emergency department. He was playing basketball, he felt his knee giving way, and immediately came to the emergency here. We were able to diagnose him fairly promptly. He had an MRI scan which confirmed the diagnosis. We performed the procedure successfully. Ramzi is a high-end athlete. He does a lot of weightlifting and requires his knee to be at the highest performance level possible. And I'm glad to say that he's made an excellent recovery. I'm delighted to see him back at the gym, lifting all the weights that he's accustomed to, and he's delighted with the outcome. We look forward to seeing Ramzi in the gym, carrying more weights in the future and getting more titles. Thank you very much.